back for another video. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button. You know the drill, guys. And sorry my face is not in it today, and let's just go on with the video. And thanks for the 50 subscribers, guys, and let's go on with the video, guys. And if you want more videos of my face, tell me down below in the comments, guys, and I will definitely do some more. And I'm thinking to do a giveaway, guys, because we reached 50 subscribers, and I'm really happy. When I post this video, it's going to be a 2nd of February, guys, and yeah, I reached 50 subscribers of end of July. Yeah, I'm quite happy, guys. I finally done it, guys, and I done a face review, guys. If you haven't checked that video, links down below. This is gonna be a cool trick. Oh, that was a cool trick. And let's go. Come on. Oh, let's go. Oh, that was so close. Come on. I was about to do the face review in February, but I was like, why not do it in like July? And I was like, okay, let's just do it. And then I was like, and I done it, guys. And thanks for the comment. I forgot the name, sorry about that. And it was a comment like it was like good quality videos. Keep up the good work or something like that. It was in my face review video. Links down below. And yeah, today we're going to try to get lots of coins, guys, and oh, I thought, okay, let's use that. Let's go. This is going to be so, come on. Tell me down below if you want better quality. I know this is good quality, but you can get this is 30 frames per second, whatever it's called, and I can put up 60. That's why it's really good quality. Tell me down below if I do that, because like this I think is better. But just tell me down below in the comments. And come on. Oh no! Oh, did you see that cool trick? That was amazing. Amazing. Let's get the jetpack. What happens if you get a real jetpack? That'd be so sick. I'll fly in all day. Fly all day. It was so fun. And I have to say it again, guys, thank you for the 50 subscribers. It means a lot to me, guys, because it's a lot. Like 50 is a lot. I know it's like people get like 10 million subscribers or something like that, guys. And I really like my 50 subscribers, guys, and it's like 50 people just subscribe to me. Thank you, guys, a lot. That's like it made my day today, guys. And thanks for the 50 subscribers. Come on. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, that was cool. You know, I'm not going to leave this when I want to get 1,000 coins. I won't leave out it whatever. Oh, come on. That was a fail. Oh, freak's sake. Oh, no. Let's go. Yes. Okay, that was cool. I don't want to die, guys. Come on. I'm focused, guys. That's why I'm not talking right now. Oh, come on. No. Yes. Last one. I'm not meant to die. Okay, that doesn't make sense, guys. Because I'm too, focused. I won't leave out of here when I get 1,000. I will try, guys. If I don't, I'm really sorry. I'm not going to either get the coins. I might get the coins. You know what I mean. No! Guys, I have to leave at this. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry, but we got 500, guys. I'm happy of that. 600 technically. And you guys, if you like my videos, tell me down below in the comments. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And you guys, and don't forget to hit that red button and that little bell. Bye, guys.